I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the update runs cleanly. Check the Genius Edition and exact version, then confirm your license key. This prevents activation issues later. Once done, export or snapshot your settings and database and store that copy offsite or on removable media so you can restore quickly. Make sure the machine has network access to Genius update servers and at least 20–30% free disk space to avoid failures during package extraction and installation. You now execute the core update sequence. Start by downloading the correct update using the built-in Genius Updater or certified download portal, then verify the checksum or digital signature so you avoid corrupted or tampered packages. Next, run the installer with administrator privileges. When prompted, choose to preserve existing settings unless you need a clean install. During installation, monitor progress and note any warnings. Address dependency prompts immediately to prevent partial upgrades. You finish by validating the update and handling issues. After installation, reboot if required, then confirm Genius services and processes are running. This ensures daemons and scheduled tasks reattach properly. Next, run quick functional tests. Log in, exercise key features, and verify external integrations so you catch problems early. If something goes wrong, restore your backup to rollback. Then review installer and application logs for error codes and context, because those details tell you precisely what to fix or report to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.